Consumer Cellular offers two primary methods for obtaining your eSIM QR code: via email and through their mobile app. After purchasing an eSIM compatible plan online, the QR code is typically emailed to you within 5 to 10 minutes. Be sure to check your spam folder and verify that the email address in your account settings is correct. Alternatively, you can download the Consumer Cellular app on iOS or Android, log in, navigate to Account, then activate eSIM and select Get QR Code. The code will be generated instantly if your device is eligible. Remember that QR codes are single-use and carrier-specific. Ensure you have a stable internet connection when activating. If you misplace your QR code or it expires, remember they are valid for 48 hours. The Consumer Cellular app provides a Resend eSIM QR code option that allows you to regenerate the code within minutes. Resends are limited to 3 per 24 hours to prevent abuse. You can also contact customer support via chat or email for assistance, available 24/7. To activate the eSIM, scan the QR code using your device's eSIM setup wizard, usually found in Settings under Cellular or Mobile Data. This will provision the eSIM over the air. No physical SIM swap is needed. Make sure your device is unlocked and your plan is active before scanning. Experiencing issues during activation is rare. However, ensure to check device compatibility by going to the Consumer Cellular website